Hi guys, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. Welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, I'm Ritu and I make content related to beauty, DIY, skincare, fashion and hauls. In case you want to stick around, please make sure that you click on the subscribe button. And in today's video, I bring you some amazing hair care and skincare from this brand called Innovist. If you guys are not aware, there are 3 brands which fall under Innovist. That is going to be Bare Anatomy, which is especially curated for your hair care. The next one is going to be the Sunscreen, which is for the sun care. Also there is going to be the Chemist at Play, which is going to be India's first ceramide based skincare brand. So I'm going to be showing you all the things that I picked up, and these ones are especially for the winter care. So first of all, I will be talking about the sunscreens. So guys, the first product that I have here is going to be Sunscreen Fluid Sunscreen. This one has SPF 60. Now we all are going to sit in the sun. The winter sun feel amazing on the skin. So this one is going to protect your skin. The best part about this one is it is broad spectrum cream. Also it is suitable for all skin types, and you do not have to worry about that white cast. It's a very lightweight formula, gets quickly absorbed in your skin. Also it is enriched with vitamin E, which helps in adding glow to the face. Now guys, the next product that I have from the same brand is gonna be Sunscreen Body Fluid Sunscreen, which has SPF 60. I love the packaging guys. You just need to spray it. It doesn't leave any white cast. Also it protects your skin from those harmful UVA and UVB rays, so you can apply it on your skin. It gets quickly absorbed. It has aloe vera extracts, which has soothing properties for the skin. It also has oat milk extracts, which is going to protect your skin from any kind of external damage. Also it keeps the aging at bay guys, because when you apply sunscreen on the body and if you take care of your face, it is not going to be doing any free radical changes, and then you can say goodbye to premature aging. So I am in love with this brand guys. Make sure that you check it out. The link is going to be in the description box below. So guys, next one is going to be hair care range, and this one is going to be from Bare Anatomy. I have already used their products. They are amazing. Make sure that you give it a try, and I promise you guys, you're not going to be disappointed at all. I have used their damage repair kit and also the anti-hair fall kit. It has worked amazingly well for my hair. They are more manageable, they fall less, and I have reaped some amazing benefits from that range. So now when we are in the middle of winters, we all are gonna have dandruff. Let's face the fact, there is gonna be a lot of accumulation. The scalp is gonna be flaky and very dirty. I have recently tried out their Anti-Dandruff Kit. It worked out amazingly well for my skin. So make sure that you give it a try if you're someone suffers from dandruff in the winter season especially. So the first product I have here is going to be Anti-Dandruff Hair Tonic. Now this has the bare flake reduction technology. So it is especially curated for the flaky scalp which has a lot of dandruff. It consists of salicylic acid, which helps in exfoliating the dead skin cells from your scalp. It also helps in preventing sebum production in your scalp, which thereby causing the bacteria, and it causes dandruff. So I apply the tonic whenever I want to wash my hair, like a night before. I leave it overnight, and in the morning I wash it with the Anti-Dandruff Shampoo. Now again, this one consists of the bare flake reduction technology. It also has biotin, which helps in giving you thick, longer and stronger hair, and it will also prevent any kind of hair loss that you might be experiencing because of that unclear scalp. Now guys, the next one is gonna be this Bare Anatomy Anti-Dandruff Hair Mask. So whenever you use it for any kind of, if you have hair fall, they have hair fall range. If you have damaged hair, they have damaged range. Now for the anti-dandruff one, make sure that you buy all the products so that you can reap all the benefits from the range and you can see some visible results for yourself. So guys, this one again consists of salicylic acid. It also has the biotin, which helps in strengthening your hair, helps in preventing hair loss, and I also gonna keep the dandruff at bay. So once you are done washing your hair, just apply this on the length of your hair. Keep it there for some time, like I keep it for 5 to 10 minutes, and then rinse it out. Believe me, just in one wash you will be able to see your dandruff becoming better and your hair also becoming longer and stronger. So this was about the hair care range. Now we are going to be moving on to the next range. So now we are going to be moving on to the next brand, and that is going to be Chemist at Play. That is specially curated for your skin. The range has ceramide. Now guys, let me tell you what ceramides are. Ceramides are present in the topmost layer of our skin, which helps in making it shiny and glowy. Now with the age, the concentration of ceramide declines in the skin, thus making it dry and aged. So in order to take care of your skin, you need to moisturize it. So this range of Chemist at Play has ceramides in it, so it is going to give you this beautiful glowing and clear skin. So the first moisturizer that I have here is going to be for very dry skin face moisturizer. It has hyaluronic acid and shea butter, which helps in giving you beautiful, clear and glowing skin. I absolutely love it because the winter in our country is going to be really dry. So make sure that you give this one a try if you have dry or very dry skin, and you're not going to be disappointed at all. Now guys, the next product that I have in my hand is going to be from the Chemist at Play, and this is one of their best sellers. So this is going to be Odor Control Underarm Roll-On. Now I usually do not apply those underarm roll-ons which are available in the market because I know that it can cause skin darkening, but believe me, I'm using this one from quite some time now, and especially in winters guys, we sweat in our underarms a lot and it causes a lot of body odor. In order to get rid of it, I use it, and this one has 4% lactic acid and 1% mandelic acid, which helps in controlling body odor and also helps in preventing the darkness which you might get in your underarms. So you can go for this one and you do not even have to think twice. So yes, I absolutely trust it, and now I know why this one is the best seller from the brand. So guys, the next serum I have here from the brand Chemist at Play is gonna be 3% tranexamic acid and 5% niacinamide. Now if you are someone with a lot of hyperpigmentation and pigmentation on the face, this one is going to be the right one for you. It has niacinamide guys, which is gonna work on your pigmentation, dark spots on the skin, and believe me, if you use it just for a week, you will be able to see some amazing results for yourself. Also this one consists of ceramide, so it is gonna make your skin all shiny, glowy and beautiful. There are some amazing products for your skin guys. Make sure that you check it out. I will make sure that I leave the products links in the description box below for you all. So guys, last but not the least, I want to talk about this amazing body moisturizer that I have from Chemist at Play. This one has 3% pentawhitene, this has 2% shea butter and 2% sunflower oil. All of these amazing ingredients make sure that your skin stay hydrated and moisturized. Especially this winter season guys, it is extremely essential to provide your skin that necessary hydration and moisturization because it keeps the aging at bay. So as soon as I come out of shower, I make sure that I take a little and apply it all over my body. It gets quickly absorbed in the skin and I instantly get supple, beautiful and hydrated skin. So guys, these are all the amazing products that I have bought from Innovist, and I really find them amazing. Make sure that you get your hands on these. The links are going to be in the description box below. I highly recommend these products for you all, and the best part is they're completely safe to use as they do not have any harmful chemical which can harm you. No parabens, no sulfates. It's transparent, clean beauty brand. So yes, but now we are gonna be saying goodbye, and I'll see you guys super soon with another one. Till then, take care. Bye bye. I love you all so much.